Alright everybody, time for an update. Well, it's been a while. Last videos I posted was when we had the floods here the other week. I guess it was just last week. Not that you can tell, but I washed it yesterday. Shine the wheels. Today I redid the tint on the driver's side, the passenger side, the back. The tint on the side's 20%, the back is 5%. It's my first time doing that. I don't think I did too bad. Yeah. Painted the steering wheel horn cover, I guess, purple. The purple theme continues. Took the caps off the back just so they kind of, match more at the front. Nothing really new out back, except it's clean for once. Yeah, tint ain't perfect, but it was just cheap Pep Boys tint. Can't really complain. As far as tint goes, now I'm just waiting for I ordered the tint strip for the windshield. That should have been in yesterday, but it wasn't, so waiting for the mail today. Hopefully it comes in. Oh yeah, and of course, when I lowered it, I had to rip the duals off. Right now, it's got a 4 1/4 inch tip. What's a resonator tip? So technically, this is the muffler right now. Up over the axle. The rest of it's just pipe. I guess I could do a quick startup of how it sounds. It's got a little bit of an exhaust leak to it though. Yeah, try to set the camera far enough back where it ain't gonna sound like crap. Sounds right now. It's not the best, but for a homemade exhaust, it's not too bad. Alright, that's about it for now. Till then.